Hey everyone! Want to master strategy deployment and get a certificate of completion? Use the coupon code in the description below to join this course for free. This course, Master Strategy Deployment, From Vision to Execution, teaches you how to turn ambitious ideas into real results. We'll cover the core principles of strategy deployment, showing you its importance for long-term success. The learning journey starts with understanding the fundamentals of strategy deployment. Then, we'll dive into creating compelling vision and mission statements, the foundation for any successful strategy. Next, you'll learn how to translate those high-level strategies into measurable objectives using tools like Hoshin Kanri, SMART goals, and OKRs. We'll also cover effective implementation, monitoring, and adjustment, ensuring accountability and achieving your goals. Finally, we'll explore fostering a culture of continuous improvement and strategic alignment. No prior knowledge of strategy deployment is needed. This course is perfect for business leaders, managers, entrepreneurs, aspiring professionals, and anyone passionate about turning vision into reality. It equips you with skills applicable in various career paths, including business strategy, management, and leadership roles. This course provides practical exercises and real-world examples to make learning engaging and effective. You'll leave with the confidence to drive growth, manage change, and build a resilient organization. Ready to transform your vision into reality? Find more details and that free coupon code in the description below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insightful content.